Hello.
Hi, are you James?
Yes.
Hi James, my name's...
And this is being video recorded in my home as a reference to why you've come here. Okay. You haven't come here to assess me. You've come here to section me, haven't you? I've
come here with a section 135 warrant.
So why are you sectioning me?
To remove you to a place of safety so
really?
You can be assessed.
Right.
James,
but this is a place of safety. I know what the law is. You don't need to take me anywhere because this is a place of safety.
It's down to the doctor, I believe, who's in charge of your care to decide on.
Well, if we go to a place of safety, I'm not talking to anybody. How's that?
Okay, that's fine.
I'm not talking to the doctors, mate.
Okay.
Because you know I was going to record this, so you're trying to take me away from my house without my recording equipment.
Okay.
Which I will not talk to the doctors.
Do you want to grab your shoes, mate? Because we're going.
Can I take my bag with me?
Where's your bag?
Well, it's upstairs.
Is it? Oh, we'll go grab words and we'll go grab it with you, and then yes.
Right, so this is a recording for YouTube. You're on camera now, right? You're on close-up camera, and I'm telling these people when I get this recording back home, then I'm going to put it on YouTube to show you have no reason to section me.
I don't consent to you putting footage on YouTube.
Hang on, it doesn't matter. Sue me. How's that?
Do you want to grab some shoes?
What's your name?
James, we're going to
go. Can I give that? No. You can't take the camera off me, mate.
I can.
Why
you're now
can
going to
you?
be detained for the purpose of this, so I can detain, or you're detained.
Trish.
So I can hand the camera over, but we're getting going on because we've got other things to do.
Hey, this is my evidence.
It doesn't matter.
You're not allowed to take the camera.
What I'm doing, I'm just going to put the camera there.
Oh right. Can I just switch it off then?
Yeah, please switch it off.
Thank you. Okay, mate. Yeah.